I've been following Detail Kings for a long time, many years, about 20 years in the industry, and just always been a big fan. And when the opportunity came to advance my skill in my craft and learn about ceramic coatings, I jumped on the opportunity. If you're wanting to learn more about detailing or ceramic coatings or anything like that, the hands-on classroom experience plus the hands-on in the shop is absolutely amazing. 100% worth the money and the time. So I've taken from this, able to apply it to our business at home. So thank you, Detail Kings. You're awesome.